Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to sign a document on PandaDoc. Alright, so first up in here on your PandaDoc dashboard, as you can see here under the Home tab, you can just go ahead and click on Actions Required. Okay, and it says here to sign. Okay, if the status is to sign, you would need to sign this document. Also, you could go ahead and go to Inbox. In here, you'll be able to see the same status as well. And here, as you can see, the latest one is from 2 minutes ago. And when you click on it, you'll be redirected to the signing page. Okay, you can just easily hit on Start. Now it will just land you to the area where you would need it to sign. For example, this one says here required. So just click on it. Now go ahead and select your signature. Okay, if you don't like your signature in here, just click on Draw or Upload or even Type. Okay, just draw your signature like so, or even type it like just your name. I like to draw one. And once that's done, just click on it and hit on Accept and Sign. Okay, click on Date and Time as it is a required field, like so. Hit on Finish, and once done, you're good to go. Okay, another option is by going to the emailing service that you're currently using, for example, Gmail. Okay, all you have to do is just click on Open Document, and you'll be able to find this same editing section. Okay, just click on Edit, scroll down, and just sign in the area or field that needs signing. That is it. That's how you sign a document here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.